Welcome to my evade mission tutorial. When you've decided where you want your evade mission to take place, press the F11 key to open the editor. At the top, click Window, then Missions and Mission Editor. In the new window, click the File tab and then click New Mission. Choose a name and then select Evade from the mission type drop-down list. Place the start trigger by clicking the Edit button and then holding Shift and click dragging. Then click the Edit button again. Here you can add text to your start and end screens. Next, place the start position for the player in the same way as we placed the start trigger, Shift and drag clicking. You can choose to offer the player a car to use for the mission. Now we need to add a vehicle group to tell the mission which cars to use for police cars. At the top, click Window, Gameplay, and then Vehicle Group Manager. You can choose one of the existing police groups by clicking it. You can then export it by going File and then Export in the Vehicle Group Manager. You'll need to save it in your mission folder, which you can find in Gameplay, Missions, the name of the level, then Evade, and then the name of your mission. In that folder, save the group there with the name Chasers. You can see if it's correctly assigned in the mission editor by the green tick. You can add a prefab if you wish to add objects to the level for your evade mission. You can see how prefabs work in my time trial mission tutorial. There's a link in the description. You have the choice of having a hideout area where the player can escape to, or you can just let the player escape in their own way. You can place this zone the same way as you place the start trigger. Here you can adjust the police arrest difficulty. You can add a damage limit. Here you can choose which props the police will use for roadblocks. Be sure to select from the props section. Finally, we have the mission goals, which you can set to your liking depending on how hard you want it to be. And then remember to save your mission. When you're finished, press F11 to exit the editor and then press Ctrl L to reset the lower. When you test your mission, you may find that the police are spawned in a bad place like this. Consider moving the start spot for the player to allow more AI road space for the police to start on. Let's see how it runs.